Hey guys, Chris here. I come to you from my mudroom where I mix my laundry detergent. What? Make your own laundry detergent? Yeah. We got 6 people going, and the washer and dryer is going nonstop because we have so many kids with dirty laundry all the time. So this is a crazy money saver. Spend maybe, I don't know, a quarter on laundry detergent, making it yourself. Nice and simple. Go to Walmart or your local store. Grab yourself a 5-gallon bucket, a food grade quality, nice and simple, with a top. All right, and this is how you do it. Maybe once a month, once every 2 months you do this. Here's what you do. 3 boxes of borax, all right? It's detergent. It's, I think like $4 a box. So you're at $12 there with 3 boxes of that. You get 3 boxes of your washing soda. This is Arm & Hammer washing soda. It's about $3 a box, something like that. You get 3 boxes of those, so you're at what, $9 there. And then you get 1 box of your OxyClean. I get stain remover because my kids, well, we have a homestead. You can also get scented kind, whatever. And then you get 1 box of Zote, which is laundry flakes. Helps it suds up. And all you do, you ready? So you're at 3 boxes, 1 box, 1 box. So you're at maybe $30, which is for 1 thing of laundry detergent is around $30. This is probably equivalent to 5 or so. And here's what you do. You mix them all together, like 1 box, little of that, and then you put the lid on when you have them all in, and they fit in just perfect in here. Seal it all up, put it on the ground, roll it all around, and it mixes them all up really good. All right, because it's heavy at that point. And then you carry it. Here's what we do. Then you open it up. Oh, awesome laundry detergent. And we have our nifty little farmhouse laundry thing. So here's what we do. We fill this up, and there's already some in here. You see this little scoop? It's adorable. 1 scoop does a whole load, all right? And you fill this thing multiple times with this bucket. It's awesome. So that's how you make cheap, at-home laundry detergent. Works excellent, and you're saving so much money. It's about a quarter of the price as you would pay to buy it in the store. So good luck to you. Take care.